What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Faye, F-A-Y, get it correcto, and I'm here with a special guest. This is my niece. I'll leave her YouTube down below. What is it?
Sassy Jasmine Melania.
I will be leaving it down below. And today, we are going to be doing
Poopsie surprise.
Yes, we're going to be opening it and hopefully we'll make some
Slime.
poop. Okay?
Poopsie
Alright, I'll
slime.
be back. Okay, so this is what it looks like, front and back. Go ahead and open it. And this is what's inside. Get a closer look. Okay.
Lay that down.
So
For sure.
here's the instructions. We have English and Spanish, I believe. Yeah.
English and Spanish. I'm the one that says Spanish.
So
You're the one
this
that
is
says English.
basically what comes in store or whatever. But we're gonna try to make some poop slime. So we'll be right back. So first we have to decide whether she wants whether she wants shimmer, metallic, or crunchy unicorn poop. So what would you like?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. So here's the crunch, unicorn crunch.
You can't even hear it.
You can hear it shake. Let's show them what it looks like.
So this is what it looks like.
I don't know if you can see.
This is what it looks like.
Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, so we picked where's this? Unicorn Magic. We picked this one.
And we picked crunchy.
So we're gonna do that next. But first we have to put water in this cup. 15 mLs. Well, 30. But this cup has 15. So we're gonna fill it up twice and put it in here in this cup. And then we're going to pick a scent from the box. Which scent would you like, Hunty Bunty?
This one.
This scent. And they're all mystery scents, so they don't have.
And then I'm going to pick a color.
So yeah, so we'll get right back into it. Adding the water, 30 mLs. And while she's getting that open, we're gonna put 5 drops of scent in the bottle. Give it a sniff. Can you guess the mystery scent?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th one. Done.
Alright, what does it smell like?
You smell it.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
I don't know. It smells like cherries.
Or maybe not.
Alright, pour food bottle into the exclusive collectible bottle. So, she picked this bottle.
And
Go
put it
ahead
in
and
there.
put it in there.
All of it?
Yep.
Or you can mix it.
You will too. Go ahead. Let's see. You have to mix it in for 1 minute. Okay, so now we have to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or until the slime reaches the desired consistency. So, we'll be right back.
One eternity later.
Alright, so we are back. And it's time to open it. So go ahead and open it. It's blue. Okay, go ahead and take it out. So let's see how it comes out.
It's slime.
Slimy. Oh. Cool.
Slimy. Okay, now you can put the stuff in.
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this in and the unicorn crunch.
So it can be crunchy.
So we're gonna go ahead and put this in. So go ahead and mix it in. I'm gonna go ahead and put more. Go ahead and mix that in. Fold it.
Go fold it folds.
How does it feel?
Good. Feels a little sticky, but it's okay. Got it on my hand.
So now we're going to put in the unicorn crunch.
Let's mix it out a
All the
little.
powder is done.
We're gonna mix that in.
Go ahead and fold it.
That's enough.
Go ahead and mix it. Pull it apart.
It won't pull apart.
But that's how you mix it. So
Pull it apart. Fold.
there you go.
Okay, I'm gonna put it little by little, so half a piece. Half another piece. Let's see if we can put more or not. Yeah, we can't put no more after that.
Put it all in there.
Come on in there. You put this in there. Oh, it makes funny sounds. Okay, we're good. Then we're gonna put the top. We're good. This is how it looks. Oh, it makes satisfying noise. It's so hilarious. And I like when all the balls come out. Oh, and I added a little bit more. But it's okay.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you like the video. Right now just putting the slime in here. And we're going to be making more. So bye guys.